Ever stood in the laundry aisle staring at the price tag, thinking this really shouldn't cost this much? A jug of liquid detergent can run you 25, 28, and it's gone in 2 months if you've got a family. What if I told you that for less than 15, you can make enough detergent to last your whole household the entire year, and that the recipe is basically the same one traditional communities, like the Amish, have used for generations? It's not magic. It's simple chemistry that the big detergent brands have zero interest in teaching you. I'll walk you through the full recipe, why it actually works, and 3 things almost nobody adds that make all the difference. Let's be honest about what you're paying for. Most of the volume in a liquid detergent bottle is water, usually somewhere between 70% and 90%. The rest is synthetic fragrance, dye, and a bit of surfactant. The ingredients that actually do the cleaning, the ones doing the heavy lifting, are simple: washing soda, sodium carbonate, and borax, sodium tetraborate. Both sold at any hardware store or bigger grocery store for just a few dollars a box. Let's do the math. The average American household spends between $240 and $350 a year on detergent. The homemade recipe I'm about to show you costs under $15 and makes enough to last months, sometimes over a year. Grade 1 bar of pure soap, Fells Naphtha, Zote, or a bar of castile soap all work great. 2-3. Put the grated soap in a pot with 4 cups of water. Heat on low, stirring constantly, until fully dissolved. Don't let it boil hard, keep it at low heat, almost a whisper of steam. A hard boil can scorch the soap and leave a sharp smell. Pour it into a 5-gallon bucket or any large clean container. Add 1 cup of washing soda and 1 cup of borax. Stir with a wooden spoon until both dissolve. Fill the rest of the bucket with hot water, stirring as you go. Let it sit overnight. It'll turn into a gel or a thick paste that's completely normal. Use 1-2 Cuban pesos per load, 1-4 Cuban pesos if you have a high-efficiency machine. That batch covers somewhere between 200 and 300 loads, depending on your machine. Here's the key detail: washing soda has a pH around 11, much more alkaline than regular baking soda, pH 8. That higher alkalinity is what breaks down grease, body oils, and food stains. It also softens hard water. If your tap water is loaded with calcium and magnesium, those minerals cancel out part of the cleaning power in regular detergent, which is why people end up using twice as much and their clothes still look dingy. Washing soda solves that by grabbing onto those minerals before they can interfere. Handy tip: if you can't find washing soda, you can make it yourself. Just spread regular baking soda in a thin layer on a baking sheet and bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. The heat drives off water and CO2, turning sodium bicarbonate into sodium carbonate, the same washing soda, for the price of a box of regular baking soda. 1 coarse salt, 2 tablespoons of coarse salt, stirred in at the end while the mixture is still warm. Salt helps lock dye into fabric so colored clothes fade less and boosts the hard water softening effect, since chloride ions bind to the minerals causing water hardness. Costs pennies, changes the result. 2 vinegar instead of fabric softener. Half a cup of white vinegar in the fabric softener compartment replaces the store-bought stuff. It breaks down soap buildup, neutralizes odors, and doesn't leave that waxy film that keeps towels from absorbing water properly. 3 sunlight as a natural whitener. Hang white clothes outside, or near a sunny window, for a few hours. UV light breaks down organic stains at the molecular level. It's literally a free bleaching agent. That's basic photochemistry, and it's why sheets dried in the sun end up noticeably whiter than ones dried only in the machine. If your laundry has years of mineral buildup, try a strip wash. Add an extra half cup of borax along with your homemade detergent for 5 loads in a row. This helps pull embedded residue out of the fibers. Unlike bleach, which damages fabric over time, this process removes buildup without breaking down the fibers. So here's the recap: soap, washing soda, borax, coarse salt, vinegar, and a little sunlight. Under 15 in ingredients, 20 minutes of prep, and detergent that lasts for months. This isn't about anyone hiding something from you, it's practical knowledge that got lost along the way as we started buying pre-made solutions without questioning the price tag. If you try it, let me know in the comments how your laundry turned out and which detail made the biggest difference for you. And if you ever made homemade detergent before, or remember someone in your family who did, drop that story below. I want to hear what worked for you. If you liked this one, there's more real household savings coming. I'm already working on the next video. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss it.